that's right. I'm making my way solo back to the mining campgrounds. I hope to locate one of those bucket listers, that being the cricket buckle. There's been plenty extracted from out there, as you saw in the last episode we've put up from this location, and I'll be doing my darndest to actually get one. So we'll see you in about another 45 minutes. We've got an hour's drive to get there. It's a bit of a gloomy day and it's a bit chilly outside, but we're not going to let that stop us. So we'll see you soon. Alright folks, we're heading into the site now, and hopefully it won't be too long before we get a crack at new spot. Okay folks, we're out at the location. So what I'm going to do now is a startup procedure. Press the red button in on the 800 knocks. Okay, we're going to go to the gear in the middle. We're looking for the signal there for noise cancel. Let it do its business. Goes all the way through. Then we hit for ground balance. So it's balanced out on 21. So now what I'm going to do is, now that I've got the machine ground balanced, I'm going to put two of the buckles on the ground and get the reading for them, the signal strength, so that when I come across them out here in the field, if I do, I'll be able to pick them up. So put that one down there, that one just there. So the one without the backing plate comes up at 20. So the one with the backing plate registers a bit higher at 24. I think that's because of the different mixes of metals there. So, okay, we have those 20 and 24. Should be good to go. Right, so folks, we're going to go out through here today. Just have a look. Okay, this is a different location to where we were in the previous app, which was up there on top of the hill. So I'm hopefully going to get a bit of a walk through and around here just to see what we might be able to come up with. And, apologies for the wind, but it's a bit nor'easterly this morning, I think. So it's around about lunchtime. I think we've got 3 or 4 hours here. So I'll give you an update on the time frame to get a location of a signal, just to give you an idea how often we do come across a signal in this sort of environment. Alright, we'll see you on the first one. Folks, this is a solid signal. Again, a bit patchy, but it's coming out of here. So I'll do our best to locate it and get it out of the hole. So I've done my best to loosen the soil up, as you can see. Still coming from within the hole. I'll use the pinpointer presently. As you can see, we're starting to get down to a little bit of stone. Pinpointer right there. Let's see. Still in a bit deeper. Hang on, and I'll be back with you shortly. So apparently we do have it out in amongst the loose stuff here. Let's see if we can get it. See whatever it is. That's what it is. square nail to boot. It's an old nail. Going in the right direction. I don't recall saying in any of my dialogue that it was going to be easy getting a cricket buckle here, or for that matter, anything but wires and nails at the moment, but this one seems possible. It's a bit scratchy, but let's get out here and see if we can locate it and give ourselves a better idea. I think it's another nail of sorts. Yep. Look, there it is. It was fairly solid there for a bit, and I thought, yeah. Oh, okay. That's a bit different. That's why it was a bit funny. That's some sort of, looks like a hooking arrangement. Maybe we've come to a spot finally. Might have to get over this bit of ground here. It's sort of right on top of the hill, as you can see. So it might have been a good spot for a dwelling. I can see some rocks over there too. The chimney side. Yeah, we'll back this over pretty thoroughly. Right, folks. That is right in the realm of a buckle, and we are right on top of the hill. Oh, here we go. See this? Yes. We're right into the thick of things here now. Oh, that's a copper, say something or other, but that's our first relic. Okay, we're close. We're going to give this place a real good going over just here. As you can see, we're basically on top of the hill. Right, nice and slow here. Just here. There's a strong 15-16 signal. Not quite sure what it might be, but I'm thinking when you get a good strong signal out of here, you've got to dig them because they're few and far between. Okay, that's another little bit of remnants of something in the past. Bit of flat metal. This is probably outside of that busted fork. The best signal I've had all day. So, eager to see what this is. More. Here we go. What is this? That looks like something made of bronze, like smelter. That's what that is. That's the best signal I've got in relation to non-rusty sort of groundy signals. Yeah, that's something. Go over this area. Here we have. I'm expecting this one to be something really nice. The tone is high and tight. It's got to be a coin. Has to be. Can you see it? It's a... Oh my goodness!
What is that? Oh, lordy. That is, I think it's copper. I'll get a clean up and get back to you folks. Wow, this wasn't expected. No way, I knew it was tight, but oh my goodness. It is a beauty. I'll get it cleaned up and we'll get a pick for you. There you go folks. Not quite sure what to make of it, but I think it's an old copper alloy ring. But what a relic! It's been in the ground a long while. I'll show that to the landholder. Okay folks, just dug this little relic up. Do you know what the heck it is? Let me know. Looks like it could be some sort of wick thing off an old lamp or I don't know. It's got a hole in it. So on the other side, so it's pinned to keep something fastened or what have you. Yeah, if you know what it is, comment below. So it's clear folks that just by this little bit of a dig out in the hill, someone was clearly looking for something. They've lost their ring over there on the small one and they've dropped other bits and pieces. I have a 18, 19 signal just in here. So let's see if we can get it out. Can you see what it is? Old bullets I found a couple of weeks ago. Man, that's heavy. Right, on the next. Boy, it took some digging for there, here, and here, and I finally got out. Get in there with me. Oh, small, whatever it is. See that? I certainly can't at the moment. Here we go. Yeah. No doubt. Indeed. What the heck is this? Oh my giddy aunt. That's a little Victoria, I think. Oh boy, she's been bashed up. Look at this. I can see 18. Let me get some water onto it. Let's see if we can just jazz that up a bit. Right, you couldn't believe that amongst all this rubbish. There you go. 18. I don't know what that is. I'm going to get you a pic of this, folks. You can see the 18 there around the reef. Alright, we'll get you a pic. We seem to have a signal just there. Fluctuated a bit, so I'm not quite sure what this thing's going to be. And that's what it is. It's solid. There you go. This is nice tone. So let's see what we can get out of here. Not very big, but there it is. see it yet? Look at that. Little copper washer. Probably one of our last finds for the day. There's the old shotgun cartridge. That's the bit where it's got the primer, and you see the old paper internals. Alright folks, I've given that a fair old walking over there for only a few results. I still haven't located where the actual cricket and other rec festivities took place around here, but I shan't give up. Anyway, the sun hasn't quite gone down yet because we're still having daylight savings here in our part of the world, but no doubt the shadow people are getting longer, and it'll be time for me to almost do a wrap up, and we'll bid you adieu, or hooroo as we say around here. So I'll see you back at the car. I'll unload all the goodies and we'll take it from there. Folks, this is my bit for cleaning up the property. Nails, bits of junk, as you can see, old shoddy cartridge. Be happy to know what that is. I think it's off a lamp. That's some sort of architecture. You can imagine it being a hat stand, what have you. But that's just the rubbish. The best bit of the day was, though, have a look at that. Man, I think that's a llama or a goat or something. It's not too bad. Picked up a very ancient, that one, Queen Victoria, there you go, young head Victoria, you can basically just see it now, and there's the back. 18 something or other. Anyway, that's enough from me. Still haven't found the picker buckle yet, but I've still got a bit more spots to do. So anyway, we'll see you on the next episode. All right.